Meet Mike. Ever since he was little, Mike wanted to be a DJ, just like all his favorite music stars. There was just one problem. Mike couldn't afford the musical equipment necessary to be a professional DJ. Fortunately, Mike found Dr. Drum, an all-new music-producing software that combines all the tools he would ever need to become a beat-making legend. Instead of blowing huge wads of cash on an expensive mixer, VSTs, MIDI interface, sound cards, samples, and kits, Mike simply opened the 16-track sequencer, and with its easy-to-use interface, began creating his own tracks effortlessly. Next, he opened the 12-pad drum machine and found a huge database of driving beats, bigger and better than he could ever afford to buy on his own. Moving on to the 4-octave keyboard, Mike can now add piano, guitar, synth, strings, FX, and much more. His imagination is the only limit. And to top it all off, he can export his final composition in professional 44.1 stereo, 16-bit PCM .wave format for perfect quality. In less than an hour, Mike has created his very own hip-hop beat and uploaded it to YouTube directly via the software, where his reputation as an artist is fast becoming a legend. Get Dr. Drum today for a massive discount by clicking the link in the description. Dr. Drum, let's get this party started.